Hi, guys. This is another session in the series of Stay at Home, Be a Hero. We will try to help you go through this coronavirus lockdown so that you can break the chain and make sure that we all come out safe during this period of time. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. You can leave your comments, feedback regarding this video and any other video on our channel, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you would like, please do subscribe to our courses as well. The link is available in the description. Let's get on with it. Hi, this is basically a set which is on analytical puzzles selections. I would suggest pause this video, look at the set with the questions. The PDF is available in the link which will be in the description of this video. Once you have tried this on your own, then proceed with the rest of this session. Namo Institute of Management, NIM, offers four specializations: finance, HR, operations, and marketing. For the upcoming trimester, 10 professors, Professor Kareem, Lal, Maheshwari, Professor Nasir, Professor Pandey, Professor Rajadhaksh, Sharma, Thomas, Umar, and Vaidya have to take the sessions. Each professor has to be assigned at least one of the four streams of specialization. Further, the following is further known about these professors at NIM. Okay, so you have all these conditions regarding how they have to be selected. So it says the number of professors to be assigned to finance, HR, operations, marketing streams are 6, 4, 5, 7. So obviously a professor has to be assigned to more than one stream, right? Because there are only 10 professors and these many professors are required. So if you add this is 10 plus 12, 22 professors. 22 assignments have to be done among these 10 professors. So obviously a professor has to be assigned to, some professors might be assigned to more than one streams, right? And then you have additional conditions as well, right? And if you look at it, the questions are basically in how many ways can the professors be assigned to the four streams? How many of the following professors are definitely assigned to exactly three streams, as we discussed, right? You can have more than one, a professor assigned to more than one stream as well. Then it says if and how many can be assigned to both operations and marketing. So this looks like a partially determinate sort of a set, right? So let's quickly work out what is required to be done, right? And then we will go to the questions one by one and try to solve them. Okay, so let's see what we need to discuss. So we have 10 professors, right? You have, so for finance, HR, operations, and marketing. So you have six people to be assigned here, 4 people to be assigned here, 5 people to be assigned here, 7 people to be assigned here, and you have 10 professors, right? So 1, 2, 3 till 10 professors over here, and then you are required to find out if a professor is it says no professor assigned to both HR and operations. The number of professors assigned to exactly 3 streams is same as the number of professors assigned to exactly 2 streams, which in turn is equal to 4, right? And then you have Pandey and Kareem are assigned to both. And so we have to work out each of these professors. So let's create a simple table and try to figure out. So what I'll do is I'll track the professor name. I'll have to track how many streams he has been assigned to, right? And then using these conditions, I'll have to figure out which are the streams he's assigned to. So I'll have to do something like this. I've written down the names of the professors. Now let's go and work this out one by one. We have already checked for the first statement, right? Okay, second one says no professor is assigned to both HR and operation streams. So these two are mutually exclusive. So if you're assigned to one, you cannot be assigned to the other. Similarly, if you're assigned to second, you cannot be assigned to first, right? But just because you're not assigned to the first doesn't mean that you will be assigned to the second, right? So that scenario is not there. And now given that there are 4 and 5 and the total is 10, there'll be one professor who will not be assigned to both of them, right? And HR will have 4, the other 5 will be operations. Okay, so let's proceed. The number of professors assigned to exactly 3 streams is same as the number of professors assigned to exactly 2 streams, which in turn is equal to 4. Okay, so there are 4 professors who are assigned 3 streams. So between them, they will take 12 assignments. Similarly, there are 4 professors which are assigned 2 streams. So they will take 8 assignments. What is the total number of assignments? 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 7, 22 assignments. Right, I have accounted for 8 professors and 20 assignments. Right, which means the balance 22 minus 22 have to be assigned to 2 professors. 10 minus 8, 2 professors. Now, we know that at least each professor has to be assigned to at least one of the 4 streams. So you cannot have one professor with 0 streams and other professor with 2 streams. That is not possible. So the remaining 2 will have 1 stream each. The remaining 2 will have 1 stream each. Okay, so that part is done. Okay, 4th statement, Professor Karim and Professor Pandey are both assigned the same set of streams. So Professor Karim and Professor Pandey are assigned the same set of streams. Okay, so this is Karim and Pandey. They are assigned the same set of streams. So if Professor Pandey is assigned to finance, Professor Karim will also be assigned to finance. Similarly, if Professor Karim is not assigned to HR, Professor Pandey will also not be assigned to HR. Okay, so we'll come back to this later. Professor Vaidya and Professor Thomas are not assigned to the marketing team. Vaidya and Thomas are not assigned to the marketing team. So, not marketing, not marketing. Okay, further, neither of them have any streams in common. Okay, so Thomas and Vaidya cannot be assigned to the same stream. So if Professor Thomas is assigned to finance, you cannot have Professor Vaidya assigned to finance. Similarly, if you have Professor Vaidya is assigned to operations, Thomas cannot be assigned to operation. It can be a scenario that both of them might be not assigned to that stream, but at best only one out of these 2 can be assigned over here. So number of assignment will be less than or equal to 1. Here the assignment will be 2, exactly 2. If one of them is assigned, other one will also be assigned. Here, if one of them is assigned, other cannot be assigned, and there is a scenario that both of them need not be assigned. Okay, both Professor Lal and Maheshwari are assigned to both marketing and operations. Further, they are not assigned to any other stream. So both of them are assigned to 2 streams. So Maheshwari is 2 streams. Professor Lal is also 2 streams. Right, and which are those streams? Marketing and operations. So operations, marketing, operations, marketing. Right, so we have done this. Seventh, either Professor Sharma or Professor Pandey, but not both, are assigned to each of the 4 streams. So Mr. Pandey and Sharma, they are assigned to one of the 2. They cannot be assigned to both. Both of them cannot be assigned, but one of them definitely has to be assigned. Okay, so 1 out of the 2 has to be assigned to each of the streams. Okay, and both Professor Nasir and Professor Thomas are assigned to operation. Nasir and Thomas are assigned to operations. So where do we start? If you look at it, operations, we have already filled 4 out of the 5. We have already filled 4 out of the 5. So let's start here because not much to fill. Okay, if you look at statement 7, either Professor Sharma or Professor Pandey, but not both, are assigned to each of the 4 streams. Right? So one out of these 2 will be present in this. That will be the 5th person. One of these 2 will be the 5th person. But can I put Professor Pandey here? Because if I put Professor Pandey, I'll also have to put Professor Karim. Right? I'll also have to put Professor Karim over here. Right? So that will make 6 people in 6 people operations. You already have 4 fixed. Then I'll have 2 more people. So that scenario is not possible because I need only 5 people in operations. So I know for sure Professor Pandey cannot be put, which means Professor Karim cannot be put. Because Professor Pandey cannot be put, Professor Sharma will be put. Right? So I have the 5 people in operations for sure, which means the other people will not be put up over here. Further, because HR and operations cannot have anything in common, anyone who's picked in operations cannot be selected for HR. So he's out, he's out, he's out, right? 1, 2, 3. These 5 people are out. Now, again, proceeding in the same manner, because Professor Sharma is not there, Professor Pandey will be there. Right? And because Professor Pandey is there, Professor Karim will also be there. So these two are definitely sure shot for HR. Right? So from the remaining 3, I need to pick 2. From the remaining 3, I need to pick 2. Okay? Now, from the remaining 3, I need to pick 2. I have picked 2. From the remaining 3, I need to pick 2. I can pick Rajadhyaksh and Umar but not Vaidya, or Umar and Vaidya not Rajadhyaksh, or Vaidya and Rajadhyaksh but not Umar. So let's proceed to the other ones and see where we can get more information. Now, if you look at marketing, that has the highest number of people to be filled, right? You have 7 people to be filled here. Now, again, we use this Sharma and Pandey part. Now, if I reject Professor Pandey, I'll also have to reject Professor Karim. Then I will be rejecting 4 people, right? But if I reject 4 people, I cannot fill up marketing, which means I cannot reject Professor Pandey. Because I cannot reject Professor Pandey, I'll have to select Karim also, and I'll have to reject Professor Sharma, which means that I have rejected 3 people for marketing already, which means all the other have to be selected. So I've filled up marketing completely. Now, proceeding in the same manner, I can, if you look at finance, I can select only 1 out of Thomas and Vaidya. Maybe even both can be rejected, right? So one of these 2 will be rejected, right? And similarly, at least 1 out of Sharma and Pandey will be rejected. But if I reject Pandey, I'll have to reject Karim also. So I'll already have 4 people rejected because Lal and Maheshwari are gone. If I reject Pandey and Karim, right, then 4 people are gone. Then I'll have to reject 1 more person from here. So 5 people will be rejected. I cannot fill finance, right, because I need 6 people, which means I cannot reject Professor Pandey here also. So Professor Pandey is filled here, which means I have to reject Professor Sharma. Right, I'll be rejecting 1 of these 2, which means I have to definitely fill up the other people. So Umar is definitely selected, Rajadhyaksh is definitely selected, Nasir is definitely selected. Now, I have written down the number of streams for which a professor has been selected. I've filled out whatever is known. I still don't know about Thomas and Vaidya, right? Only 1 of them will be selected, right? And I have written down the streams in which they are selected. Now, we know 4 people have to be selected for 3 streams. 4 people have to be selected for 3 streams, right? So, out of which we already have 1, 2, and 3. 3 people we already have, right? So, Rajadhyaksh can be either 2 or 3. If you look at Umar will be either 2 or 3, right? So, which also means that only 1 of them can fill up this spot. Only 1 of them can fill up this spot. Both of them cannot fill up this spot. If I put Rajadhyaksh as HR and Umar as HR, then in HR there will be 4 people. I'll be rejecting Professor Vaidya, but Rajadhyaksh will have 3 streams, Professor Umar will have 3 streams. So that will make 5 people with 3 streams, right? That is not possible because exactly 4 people have 3 streams. So this scenario cannot exist. So only 1 of these 2 can be selected. At best, 1 of these 2 will be selected, which means that Professor Vaidya has to be selected. See, in HR you have 1, 2, and 1 out of these 2. 3 people are selected. The 4th person required will be Professor Vaidya, right? Now, if you add up for Thomas, you'll have 1 or 2 people, depending on whether Thomas or Vaidya comes in, either 1 or 2. Similarly with Vaidya, it will be 1 or 2. Now, if you want to cross-check, right, you can quickly do a cross-check. Who are the people with 3 streams? It will be Professor Nasir, Professor Pandey, Professor Karim for sure, right? And one out of Rajadhyaksh or Umar. One out of Rajadhyaksh or Umar. Right? Who will be the people with two streams? Professor Lal, Professor Maheshwari. One out of Professor Rajadhyaksh and Professor Umar. Right? And one out of Thomas and Vaidya. If Thomas comes in, he will have two streams. If Vaidya comes in, he will have two streams. Right? And one person is Professor Sharma and one out of Thomas and Umar. Right? So I've used up all the information. Right? Nothing much I can infer with this. Let's go to the questions and solve them. All right. Question number 1. How many ways can the professor be assigned to the 4 streams? How many ways can be assigned to the 4 streams? Right. So you have, what are the ambiguities? These are the ambiguities. Right. So we can either choose Thomas, not Vaidya. That will be 2 scenarios. And you can have either Rajadhyaksh or Umar. 2 scenarios. So 2 into 2, 4. That will be for the first question. Right. Question number 2. How many of the following professors are definitely assigned to exactly 3 streams? You need to be 100% sure that they are assigned to 3 streams. Now, I know 3 professors definitely are assigned to these. How many of them are present here? Nasir is there. Rajadhyaksh, we are not sure. It can be 2 or 3. Maheshwari, definitely no. Sharma, definitely no. Pandey, definitely yes. So 2 out of them we know for sure. Question number 3. If everyone who's assigned to HR is also assigned to finance. So everyone in HR is also assigned to finance. So this is true. This is true. This is also true. So Professor Vaidya also gets assigned to finance, which means Professor Vaidya will have 2 and Professor Thomas will have 1. This is only for this question. Right? So question is, who among the following is assigned to only 1 stream? 1 stream is Professor Sharma and the second one will be Professor Thomas out of the options. Option C. And the last one, how many of the professors are assigned to both operations and marketing? Operations and marketing both. So Professor Lal, Professor Maheshwari, Professor Nasir. 3 people are assigned to both operations as well as marketing. So this is actually a very nice set on selections. You don't have a lot of information to play around with. It's a lengthy set, moderate to slightly difficult, right? The key point was to quickly find out what you need to tabulate, right? Then go ahead and figure out first the number of assignments, figure out how many professors are there, distribution of 4, 4, 1 and 4, 4 and 2 for 3, 2 and 1 part, right? And then start with the lock here. Pandey and Karim come together and 1 out of Pandey and Sharma has to come in each of them. So that was the key point in solving this set. And then the usual, start with the maximum or the minimum, and then we can proceed with it, right? In an exam situation, 12, 13 minutes for you to solve. That completes this particular session on Break the Chain. If you liked it, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment on how you felt this video was. If you want, and if you have any suggestions on any other videos which we need to do during this period, please do let us know. If you would like to, do look at our courses. The link is available in the description. Till we meet again the next time, goodbye and stay safe.